Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Oluwatunseyi. Today is another episode of airfyer recipes and we will be making roasted plantains, which is locally called boli. Keep watching to know how easy it is to make this from the comfort of your home. Get your ripe plantains and make sure they are still strong and not overripe. Peel them and arrange in your air fryer. Set the air fryer to suit the way you want the plantain to be roasted. I prefer a little browning and dryness on the outside, and I still want the yellow color and a bit of tenderness or softness on the inside. Hence, I will use the bake function and reduce the time to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, flip the plantains over to allow the other side to roast. Repeat the roasting for another 10 minutes. Like I said, this is homemade, so roast it the way you like it. For a proper browning, you can repeat the whole process again or simply roast for 20 minutes on each side, making a total of 40 minutes. Look at this. It's looking so nice. This is just a simple recipe. If you don't want your roasted plantain to be as simple as this, you can spice it up by rubbing with any ingredients of your choice like chili peppers or ginger. But you may need to make some slits with your knife about 1 inch apart on the plantain to allow the ingredients to penetrate into the plantain. Your roasted plantain can be taken with stews or grilled fish, and you can just snack on them with roasted granules as displayed. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. Kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell and click all. That way, you will receive notifications each time I post a video. And to my returning subscribers, thanks for always watching and sharing my videos. Thanks for your comments and the feedbacks I get from you. I appreciate you all. And now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.